Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Threads. You click on settings. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Threads. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. You will go here to this application and you will search about the application of Threads to update your. So please don't forget to